If your prayer life feels weak, inconsistent, or easily distracted, listen closely. This teaching may shock you because the problem is usually not that you don't want to pray. The real problem is that your spirit is willing, but your structure is weak. And until you fix the structure, your prayer life will continue to rise and fall like a wave. Today I will show you practical biblical steps that will finally help you pray consistently, even if you have failed many times. Welcome to the channel. If you love teachings that help you grow spiritually, please like this video, share it, and subscribe. Your support helps this message reach more souls. Let's begin. The first thing you must understand is this. Prayer consistency doesn't happen by desire. It happens by discipline. Even Jesus had a prayer structure. Number one thing to do is set a specific prayer time, not a general one. Most Christians say, I will pray later. Later never comes. Even Jesus prayed at set time. Mark chapter 1 verse 35 says, And in the morning, rising up a great while before day, he went out and departed into a solitary place, and there prayed. Jesus didn't pray whenever. He prayed intentionally. Daniel prayed 3 times a day, not because he felt like it, but because he had a schedule. Daniel chapter 6 verse 10 says, He knelt upon his knees 3 times a day and prayed. Choose a fixed time, morning, evening, night. Be specific. Your spirit thrives on consistency. The second thing to do is create a prayer space, even if it is small. Your environment influences your spirit more than you know. Jesus always went to quiet places to pray. Luke chapter 5 verse 16 says, And he withdrew himself into the wilderness and prayed. He withdrew, he removed himself. You don't need a big room, a corner, a chair beside your bed, just a place your mind recognizes as prayer zone. Choose a simple, quiet spot. Let your spirit know, when I come here, I talk to God. Number 3 is start small so you don't quit fast. Many Christians begin with excitement. I'll pray 1 hour every day. Then after 3 days, they stop. God prefers consistent 10 minutes over 1 hour today, nothing tomorrow. Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 11 says, The race is not to the swift. Slow growth is still growth. What matters is consistency. Start with 10 minutes daily, then let it grow naturally. Number 4, use scripture to fuel your prayer, not just emotion. Prayers rooted in emotion die quickly. Prayers rooted in scripture stay strong. Why? Because scripture gives your spirit something to stand on. Psalm 119 verse 105 says, Thy word is a lamp unto my feet. Even Jesus prayed using scripture. When you pray scripture, your spirit aligns with God's will. Before praying, read 1 to 2 verses, then pray from them. For example, read Psalm 27 and pray for boldness. Psalm 91 and pray for protection. The 5th point is to remove distractions. They kill consistency. The devil knows he cannot stop your prayer, but he can distract you until you stop yourself. Jesus told his disciples in Matthew 26 verse 41, Watch and pray, because distraction weakens prayer. Put your phone on silent. Turn off notifications. Use a simple list of things to pray about. a tiny notebook if needed. Your spirit focuses better when your mind is quiet. Number 6, pray even when you don't feel like it. You won't always feel spiritual, and that's okay. Your flesh hates prayer. Your spirit loves prayer. Paul said in 1 Corinthians chapter 9, verse 27, "But I keep under my body and bring it into subjection." Meaning I don't let my feelings control my spiritual life. Consistency is built on discipline, not feeling. On the day you feel dry, pray a short prayer. Just don't skip it. A short prayer is better than no prayer. Number 7, keep a simple prayer routine. Repeatable, not complicated. Most people fail because they make prayer too complex. Your prayer life should be simple, repeatable, clear, not stressful. Like 1 minute of worship, 2 minutes reading a verse, 2 minutes thanking God, 3 minutes praying about your need, 2 minutes praying for others, 1 minute of silence listening to God. That's 10 to 12 minutes. Simple, effective. Even Jesus taught structure. Matthew chapter 6, verse 9 to 13. The Lord's Prayer. Jesus didn't just pray, he taught how to pray. Number 8, end every prayer with gratitude. Gratitude keeps your spirit soft and consistent. Jesus always gave thanks. John chapter 11, verse 41 says, "And Jesus lifted up his eyes and said, Father, I thank thee." Thanksgiving keeps you eager to meet God again tomorrow. Always end prayer with, "Lord, thank you for hearing me." It strengthens your spiritual confidence. A consistent prayer life is built on a set time, a prayer space, starting small, scripture, removing distractions, praying beyond feelings, a simple routine, thanksgiving. If you practice these steps, your prayer life will become strong, deep, and steady. Not once in a while, but every single day. If this message blessed you, like this video, share it with someone. Subscribe for more biblical teachings that strengthens your walk with God. Your support helps this channel. God bless you.